In this recipe, we're making a classic French dish. Now, don't get freaked out. It's classic French, but I'm gonna show you step by step. It's very, very easy. Salmon baked in paper? What are you talking about? No joke. Baked in parchment paper. It's also called, in French,
Papillote.
Papillote. Okay, so here's what we have for ingredients. Salmon, thyme, lemon, butter, shallots, our batene zucchini, and batene squash, and batene cut carrots. 400-degree oven, have that preheating. Now we're gonna go ahead and prepare our parchment paper. All right, so you got your parchment paper. You're gonna fold from edge to edge. Then, to make your life a little bit easier, take a Sharpie, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut along this line. So we're gonna cut from here down to there. You'll be left with is like a heart-shaped piece of paper, just like this. Okay, now you're gonna take your butter, you're gonna liberally rub the butter on the edges, because the butter is it's gonna be the glue. It's what's gonna seal this package up. We need it to be completely sealed up when we put it into the oven. So you're gonna just smear this butter all along the edges. Parchment paper is buttered, it's cut, ready to go. What we're gonna do is we're gonna place the salmon and all the ingredients inside the parchment paper. Watch how I do it step by step. Then we're gonna seal it completely up. We're gonna place it into the 400-degree oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. What's gonna happen is the bag's gonna poof up. And when it's ready, we're gonna cut the bag open and all the aromatics from everything we put in it's gonna come out. It's such a lovely dish. Start with our veggies first. We're gonna basically lay them down in the middle. Put a little bit of salt and pepper on there. Sprinkle your shallots. Salt and pepper both sides of your salmon. Place that on top. I'm gonna put a couple dollops of butter on top. Just a few pinches. Followed by a few slices of lemon. And then, for top of that, now, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna seal it up. Like I said, make sure that your edges are all lined up and sealed completely with the butter. If you notice anything like missing some butter, you can go back and add a little bit, but just make sure that it's all sealed. That is the most important thing. Carefully place your contents onto a sheet tray and place this entire thing into the oven. Like I said, 20-30 minutes. This bag's gonna poof up. Everything should be nice and cooked. There it is, guys. Actually open it up. Beautiful. And that's how you cook salmon in paper and make it sexy. Real quick, super awesome shout out. One of my very special subscribers sent me a very, very special gift, so thank you very much. Check that out. Custom made, mind-blowing chef little ornament.